Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marun's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through the APN settings you can be able to use while in Kampala so that you can be able to access the fastest internet on either LycaMobile, Airtel Uganda, you can also MTN Uganda. That is it. Those three SIM cards: Airtel, Lyca, and MTN. So if you have any of those SIM cards in your device, either Android or iPhone, you're going to set your internet like this in Kampala. So you're going to go to your settings, and then once you visit your settings, you're going to go connections, and then in the connections, kindly choose mobile networks, and then you're going to go access point names, and then press the start button. This is how we're going to set each and everything. So the name we're going to use, K Kampala 5G. Even if your phone is 3G, 4G, or even 2G, but I don't know whether those phones of 2G still exist, but all Gs will be connected. Even if your phone is 5G, put Kampala 5G, and then after the APN you're going to use kindly the APN use internet. Now the port. So we have a proxy and a port. So for proxy, if you are in Kampala and the surrounding regions, so the proxy, please kindly don't set the proxy. So we are going to go to the port. The port you're going to put in, port 80 works best at Kampala, and then the username. Don't set the username, the password, don't set it. The server. Now the server you're going to use www. Let us use the Cloudflare server. So let us use Cloudflare server, but let us use the one for Google, because Google provides us with a stable connection. So just put in dns.google, and then after, for a stable connection, put in dns.google. The MMSC, don't set it. MMS proxy, don't set. Now the port, MMS port. Now for this port, put in 443. This one will be able to connect more secure and more stable in Kampala, so that you can be able to access a fast and stable connection. So the MCC, kindly you're going to be putting in 625, and then the MNC, put in 02. Authentication type, don't set it. APN type, use just default, and then press OK. And then the APN protocol, IPv4/IPv6, APN roaming protocol, IPv4/IPv6. By doing that, come where you see the save, and then save. After saving, we'll be able to access the fastest internet in Kampala, Uganda. That is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial. I'm Marun's Tech, and I sign out.